Want to check and manage your screen time on TikTok using your iPhone? Here is a quick step-by-step guide to tracking your daily usage and setting helpful limits. First, open the TikTok app. Tap on the profile button at the bottom right. Tap on the three-line menu icon located at the top right of the screen and select Settings and Privacy. Next, scroll down under the Preferences section and tap on Activity Center. Tap on Screen Time to view your daily averages, weekly trends, and usage breakdowns. Here, you can enable daily screen time limits, set your preferred duration like 1 hour, and turn on sleep hours to mute notifications during rest time. And that's how you check and manage your screen time on TikTok using your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.